How to fix can't sign in to Cash App error. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. If you're having trouble signing into Cash App, you want to first try checking your internet connection. Make sure that your internet connection is strong and you have stable internet connection. You can try and switch in between your networks or try accessing other apps to check if you're having the problem. Either ways, if you're not having internet connection, you might also want to try and see if your app is updated to the latest version. So simply head over to Play Store or App Store and check for Cash App and see if it has been updated to the latest version. You want to make sure that it is updated to the latest version because not updating might sometimes create certain bugs or apps, glitches within the apps. Now, if you have tried various options, then you might want to go ahead through settings. Head into settings and scroll down, and here head into apps. Once you're on the apps, you can look in for the Cash App option. You can either scroll down or you can search it through the search bar and then open up Cash App. Once you're on the app info page, scroll down, head into stories and tap on clear cache, which will fix the issue. If this doesn't fix the issue, you can tap on clear data. However, before clearing your data, remember that clearing your data will log out your account from your device and it will delete any saved data of the app itself. So you'll have to re-log in back into your account. So it is as good as uninstalling and reinstalling back again. So you want to make sure that you have backup to your account in case. And this will fix the issue. Now sometimes this server might be down, so you might check to see if Cash App is experiencing a general outage or downtime and wait for a couple of moments and try logging in back again. This is how you can easily fix can't sign into Cash App error. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.